Hi guys, welcome to the show. It's I don't know ilang araw na ng enhanced community quarantine. So right now we're going to make a bike review of the Merida Scultura 100. So right now you're seeing the specs from the Merida website. It's 9.5 kilograms. Here are some pictures of the bike. It has a FSA crankset 5034. Claris FD, some details on the bike. Yan. So, yung wheel set niya hindi pa aero. Well, it's a climbing bike. Tapos Claris STI. And unbranded yung calipers niya. Ayan. Smooth weld, maganda naman yung mga pagkaka-welding ng mga parts niya. Tapos itong bar tape niya, medyo cushy na, masarap hawakan. Ayan. Yung fork niya is all carbon compared dun sa Reacto na aloe carb. Siguro mapapagaan pa to if papalitan yung crankset. Medyo mabigat yung crankset niya. As you can see, Claris yung group set niya. Claris front derailleurs. FSA crank. Claris din yung rear derailleur and cogs. Claris lahat. Maxxis Dolomites tires. And Merida lahat ng components niya. Including the saddle, Merida siya. Ayan, medyo maganda yung finish niya, matte black. Ayan. Okay na rin siya. I think this is priced at around 30,000. Ito yung entry level ng Merida. Compared sa Ultegra or sa ibang medyo mabigat pa yung niya, calipers. Detailed look ng Merida Scultura 100. By the way, the size of this frame is extra small. Pinsan ko kasi may-ari nito, so babae. Yan ang ginagamit niyang bike. So, hi dun sa aso namin. Medyo nanggugulo. Ayan, full carbon yung fork, as I've said before, compared dun sa alloy frame set niya. Tapos yung buong components, alloy din. Yan, malambot na yung bar tape, stock bar tape. Yung hubs pala, if you're asking, hindi siya tunog mayaman. Mamaya, papakita natin kung gaano kaingay or lack thereof. Ayan. Comparing natin sa Ultegra sa Reacto na naka-Ultegra, mas malambot of course yung Ultegra. So, that's it guys. Yan yung bike check natin ng Merida Scultura 100. So, based on the website, ito ulit yung specs niya. Don't forget to follow my channel and subscribe.